Important news, Prime Minister shall be visiting Kokrajhar in Assam to participate in the celebrations of the signing of the Bodo Agreement on 7th of February 2020. The agreement was signed in New Delhi on the 27th of January 2020. 2 days after the agreement, 1,615 cadre of different factions of the NDFB surrendered their arms and joined the mainstream. In a tweet from his personal handle, Prime Minister termed the day as a very special day for India and that the accord will lead to a transformative result for Bodo people, ushering in a new dawn of peace, harmony and togetherness. People from all over the BTAG, Bodoland Territorial Area districts will be attending, which would be over 4 lakh. Assam Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that all preparations are in place for Prime Minister's visit to Assam.
Honorable Prime Minister is coming to Kokrajhar on 7 February around 12 o'clock. This will be a truly historic moment because for the first time all the militant organization belongs to Bodo people and also the civil society organization of Bodo people. Everybody has joined hand to bring peace in this area. People wants to express their deep sense of gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for signing this historic accord. So not less than 7 to 8 lakhs people will gather here, maybe more, and so we have to make a detailed arrangement. I think everything is all right. There will be cultural program, there will be dance and other cultural form which will be exhibited by various communities living in Bodoland. And apart from that, people will come on their own, they will come by tractor, they will come by bicycles, they will come by scooter, they will come by motorcycles, and they will come by buses. So every form of communication tools or transportation tools will be used.
People in Assam are excited over upcoming visit of Prime Minister to Assam.
People are exciting and they all are ready to welcome the Prime Minister because this is a very historic day. The Bodo Accord, it is a very inclusive accord and the interest of the all sections of people have been taken care of by this accord. Earlier we had one accord, first accord 1993, it was half done. And because of the lack of sincerity of the government, that could not fulfill our aspirations.